This is the Kongwal sneeze guard clamp bracket. Just going to open it up right here. This is fully assembled in here, so you just have to open it up. You get the Allen wrench right here and the screws. You get 3 different size screws with this. So you open it up. It's packaged up really nicely. So open it up right here. It's made out of aluminum alloy. It's a very nice material. You just feel it's got some really good weight to it. And on the bottom here, it's got the pads where you could put it down right here, and it's not going to move around. And then it's got the Allen screw right here, and you have the other 2 that come with it here. So this way you have 3 different size screws depending on what size. It's very versatile. So what size plate you're going to use, and then again they give you the wrench. So it's all included here. I like the fact that this is one piece. You don't have to assemble it. It's just going to come apart really easy. The screws are very durable in here too, so you just have to get it out. So you'd see here, it just loosens it up right here. And then when you get it out, you could see it's got some really nice materials inside to make sure it's held properly. You can see this is what the inside looks like right here. So the inside this size looks right here. And again, you have 3 different size screws. So it just goes back together really nice and easy. So you can see here when you put the insert right here, it's got a lot of different room. So that's it, screwed back in. You can see it's got the gap in here where you can put your panel in here. And again, it comes with the wrench. It comes all assembled. This is what it looks like. Aluminum alloy material. This is a really great product. Highly recommend checking this out.